Hello, beautiful souls. How are all of you doing today? I am doing great. And how has your been week up till now? And how are you really feeling in your heart? And did you practice something particularly for yourself? Or did you eat something tasty in this week? These are some thoughts that I really want you to think about. Also, say hi from my new friend. This is like a little zit that I got. It's because one of the consequences of not sleeping well. Because I don't know, I've been not getting some sleep or whatever you want to call it. So if you're not sleeping well and if you've been not paying attention to your sleep patterns, then do not do that because this is one of the consequences that can happen. Just saying. Also, it's not like I hate it, it's just that I can do okay with my life if I don't have it, also. So, this week we are going to do a card reading and let's see if there's a crystal reading or an affirmation that universe wants me to deliver it to you. This week we'll be doing a card reading from the Archangel Power Tarot card. It is a beautiful card deck by Radlene Valentine, and I got this opportunity to listen to him and attend his teaching live on 15th of August. It was amazing to see him teach and experience that energy, and I really felt so grateful to experience that. So let's see what are the cards wanting to tell you for this week and what is that the universe wants you to know, particularly you who's been watching this video, taking that effort to listen to universe and being here. The card that came up is the Ace of Michael. So I'm going to put up, like I always do, I'll put up the card. The Ace of Michael is whenever Archangel Michael comes up, he is trying to tell us that there are some things that he is giving us more courage and confidence to. Also, this blue color that I'm wearing, these are the shades of Archangel Michael's energy. So I think this is how universe works always well. Okay, the beautiful text that is written below this beautiful creative is a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. Okay, Archangel Michael is not trying. Archangel Michael is telling you. Oops, sorry. Archangel Michael is telling you that you've been thinking about a new idea and you've been really putting it off. So he does not want you to do that. And he also does not want you to doubt whatever you're planning to do something in your life. He wants you to hold faith in your heart and in your energy space that you can do it. And Archangel Michael is ready to give you all the courage and confidence for you to do it. So do it with all the confidence in your heart. Also, don't see like any problem that is occurring in the process of implementing this new idea as a problem, but just look at from a different perspective that maybe you can grow something or maybe you can bring some more solution, or maybe now it has occurred, what if it might have occurred more worse than this. So just try to look at it from that perspective rather than just feeling that there's a problem and you want to end it. Okay. And another message that is coming up is if you are the one who is planning something new with one of your colleague or your friends or family, like someone in partnership with, you need to be clear about the way you're communicating, with them. And you need to be clear also how you're communicating with universe. Like, for example, if I want to write something, write a book about red color, and I just tell universe that please give me some guidance and information on red color, and I'll just say that and I'll ask universe for it. And that information can come in any form. It can come in a form of book, or someone can send me a post on Instagram, or I can see something on TV, or someone can call me and tell me that did you know that red color is also used for, blah blah blah, whatever. So you also need to communicate well with universe. Now communication is a very simple yet very beautiful thing. I believe communication is very less about talking and more about listening. Because if you are not listening to me, then whatever I'm speaking is like as equivalent to I'm talking to a wall. And if you are also not listening to what somebody else is trying to tell you, then even you are not communicating well with them. So, communication, clear communication starts first with listening well. Listening, okay, not hearing. Hearing is like selective hearing. Do not do that. Listening is when you're literally listening with all your consciousness and are understanding what is the other person trying to tell you. So listen clearly and then see how do you want to communicate with this person? How do you want to communicate with universe? Are you able to listen well to what universe is trying to tell you? Like if universe is trying to tell you something about your idea, that don't use blue color, use some other color. Or if the universe is trying to tell you that do not push it so harder, give it a break, maybe try some new thing, maybe use some different material, maybe use some different color, maybe use some different apps or anything. It could be any simple or major thing. So when it comes to communication, clear communication, understand it's not just about speaking, it's also about listening. So understand that. Also, you don't have to be a major technical person or know some like major things that only then you can listen to universe. We all have the ability to be intuitive. We all have the ability to be highly intuitive and have all the clear abilities in us. It just with time we have never awakened them and we have never tapped into them, like how someone else consciously works to awaken them. If you haven't, it's okay, but you can anytime and any time of your life you can awaken them and tap into that information. So but still, if you haven't, you don't need to be a very spiritual or some like a woo woo person to talking to universe. You can just do that with your intention, with your heart. Okay. And the crystal for this week, the angels wants to tell you is black tourmaline. Black tourmaline, I have a pyramid of black tourmaline on my desk. I use it like almost every day. I also wear it in my bracelet. So black tourmaline helps us to, transfers black or like a negative energy into positive energy. And also the angels want to tell you that you have been actually spending so much time on, like social media or electronic media. So you might want to just, use black tourmaline's energy, because black tourmaline really helps you to convert that negative eons that we might have absorbed from this, electronics into positive eons, and it does not help us drain our energies. And it black tourmaline really helps us with protection of energy and also helps us with understanding what is our true boundaries of how much we really want to dedicate our time to something and how much we want to keep it to ourselves. So see if you can tap into black tourmaline's energy, maybe looking at its photo online, or maybe you can buy yourself a crystal, like buy a bead or buy a small tumble where you can touch it or keep it in your purse or on your desk. I usually keep a raw black tourmaline also near my front door. Like whenever someone enters my house, that is one of the things that they can see. So it helps with the protection of the house also. So you can buy raw or you can buy in beads for bracelet or a pendant, but just see if you want to buy. And stop saying it yourself that you can't afford to buy crystals. They are not so costly. And secondly, if you have time and energy and resource and money to buy something reasonable, then buy it. Stop telling yourself that you can't afford it and then later crib about it that you are not getting, like, I wanted to buy that crystal but I cannot because I cannot afford it, whereas you can. Change that story for yourself. Change what you really want to do or what you really want to buy for yourself. Stop affirming that you can't afford something, because if that's what you're telling yourself, then that is what you're going to get. Change that story and you can afford to buy a crystal for yourself. Come on, you definitely deserve it. So go buy a black tourmaline crystal or whatever crystal you want to buy for yourself. And the affirmation for this week, the guides want to tell you is just ask for it. and you'll receive it. I will like probably write it in the description also, but the affirmation is just ask for it and you will receive it. Forget the hows and why and kaise hoga and all that. Just ask for it and you will receive it. Okay? Thank you so much for listening to this beautiful reading. Like I can feel all the Archangel Michael's energy and the sword energy. And I also want to address that this week on 28th of August, we have a new moon meditation circle. If you have not signed up yet, please sign up. There is usually the original price of the workshop or the meditation is 999, that is 999 rupees. But if you want to avail the early bird offer, you can pay 555 rupees if you sign up by 18th of August. That is probably tomorrow. I'm not good with dates for now, but you can do that. And in this new moon meditation, we would be tapping into the new moon energy that is in Leo energy. So Leo is all about action and personality and following the passion and doing something so like creative and something so bright out of our heart and our solar plexus energy. So see what do you want to manifest, and we'll be working, and also you will be learning and also experiencing how you can manifest these energies in your life. And so let's see. I would be really happy to see you in the meditation. And thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful life ahead and beautiful, beautiful time of your life. Thank you so much. Love you. See you all next week. Bye.